Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you one effective hair remedy by using all the natural ingredients at home itself, which will stop your hair fall instantly. This remedy is a tried and tested remedy, and also this is very effective remedy which will stop all your hair problems, and also this will give you good result also. So come guys, let's start how to make this remedy. First of all, here I have taken one vessel, and in this I am going to add 1 cup of water, normal water only here I have taken. And now I am going to switch on my gas flame. So guys, as the water is coming for the boil, in this I am going to add my first ingredient, which is tea dust. Tea dust will keeps your hair soft and shiny. Tea is a pack with good for your nutrition that can help make damaged hair soft and shiny again. It will help to prevent split ends. Tea soothes the irritated scalp also. Tea can stop your hair fall also. Tea helps your hairs to grow new hairs also. There are many benefits of tea guys. So my next ingredient here I am going to use in it is rosemary. If you are not having rosemary, you can add in it rosemary essential oil also, because rosemary is a thing which will promote hair growth. It could prevent your follicles from being starved of blood supply, dying off, and leading to hair loss. Rosemary is good for your hairs, and also it will gives you good growth. It helps to stimulate the hair growth. There are a lot of benefits of rosemary for especially for hair. So here I have taken 1 cup of water. The water should be boiled and it should become half a cup of this mixture. So let it be, keep it for boil for 5 to 10 minutes. We want a thick mixture of this, because here we are going to make it a serum. You can see guys, 1 cup it becomes to half cup. Here I have seen this mixture. In this I am going to add aloe vera. As you all know guys, aloe vera contains vitamin A, C and E, and these vitamins contribute to cell turnover, promotes healthy cell growth and shiny hairs. So my next ingredient here I am going to add is almond oil. So guys, almond is having vitamin E. It is a powerful antioxidant and is known to repair damaged hairs. Almond oil also contains biotin, which helps to kneaded by your hair for healthy growth. So my next ingredient here I have taken is castor oil. So castor oil makes the roots stronger and prevents hair fall. It has the ability to trigger and stimulate hair growth from the dormant follicles. So here I am going to use some essential oils also. So here I have taken lemongrass essential oil, which is also good for your hair fall, and then the jojoba oil, which is the mean to known to stop the hair fall. Jojoba oil is not only jojoba oil will moisturize your hair follicles, and also it will stop your hair loss and promotes hair thickness. And the next ingredient here I have taken is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil helps to build up of chemical and dead skin, and also it will moisturize your hairs and also prevent from dandruff and dry skin from your scalp. So next ingredient here I have taken is lavender essential oil. Regular use of lavender essential oil will give you grow more hairs, and it will give you faster hair growth than the normal hair growth, and also it prevents the baldness or alopecia also. So mix all these ingredients well. Mixing part is very important in the home remedy, as I have told you. So mix well, and you can transfer this into a spray bottle, or else you can dip with a cotton ball and apply on your scalp finely. You can apply this in the night time and keep it for the whole night also. If you are applying this in the daytime, you have to keep it minimum 2 hours and then wash it off with the normal water.